Hello and welcome to an afternoon or evening Get It Done With Me motivation. For those of you who have just finished the homeschool day or are in the middle of it, or those of you who have finished your day of work or homeschooling, there's a little motivation in this video for you. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Vani and I usually do videos on homeschooling, but I've been branching out lately and trying to do some more mental health videos as well as more general homemaking videos. So even if you're not a homeschooler and this is your first time here, please stay for a while, come check out my videos for a couple of weeks, and if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you in this community. Today I am making lunch, and right after making lunch I'm going to be making an early dinner because we have a gymnastics meeting to go to after school today, and I just want to make sure that our dinner is made and so that the rest of the family has dinner while we are gone. This entire season, all of November, I am committed to using all fall scents in my house. I just got a 4-pack of fall scents, and I'm just going to be spraying up my entire house with these delicious scents. For lunch for my 3 kids, I made a simple shapes macaroni and cheese along with some dino nuggets and a mango smoothie. But for dinner, we're going to have a more hearty, fallish, comfort food type meal, which I'll be showing you in a second. In this season of life, I can't be too picky about too many things, and whipping up a quick lunch for my kids and making sure that they are fed is more important to me than stressing over creating a whole healthy meal at this time. So mac and cheese and dino nuggets it is, but we will have a nice healthy dinner. One of my favorite things about the holiday season from October all the way to the end of December is having so much beautiful seasonal decor in the house. Like, I just love being able to have fall decor up for this year was 3 months. I went ahead and started in September, even though it was like almost 90 degrees here in Florida. But I was just, you got to do the things that make you happy, even if it's as simple as putting up early fall decor to wake up in the morning and see a house that looks so pretty and decorated. So one of my least favorite things about the end of the holiday is I feel like my house is so plain because I have taken down all these decorations that I've had up for a few months, and like I feel like I need to get more regular everyday type of decorations at this point. So for dinner, I am making my teenager's favorite comfort meal, and that is chicken and dumplings. And this is a very simple, quick and easy version of chicken and dumplings because I don't have time, energy, or motivation to make a meal that's going to take a lot of time. So I'm just going to cut up these chicken breasts, and the ones that I put in the bowl are separate from my younger 2 children who don't eat this meal. So yes, I do have to make 2 separate dinners at this time, but they get a very simple sauteed chicken with butter noodles, which someone commented on before they had never heard of, but it was something that my friend introduced to them. I thought it was weird, and they just enjoyed chicken and butter noodles, so that's what they will be having for dinner today. But as for the chicken and dumplings, it's basically just chicken breast, some milk, a can of cream of chicken soup, and some seasoning. I put all of this in an Instapot for about 35 minutes because I like the chicken to be nice and tender. And then I will cut up some frozen biscuits that I have been defrosting and put those in there for an additional 3 minutes. When you're going through tough seasons in life, it's really important to take times to have gratitude and appreciate those little things that are in your life. Staying in the present moment is also very important to good mental health. Not thinking about what has happened or what needs to get done, not overwhelming yourself with all of the things that are going on in your life, but just taking it moment by moment and enjoying everything as it is. Now the dinner is all ready, the kitchen is nice and clean. It is time to take my youngest child off to gymnastics class. So I hope that I gave you guys a little bit of motivation and a little bit of entertainment as you hopefully cook dinner with me. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.